Never mind. Okay, whoa! Man! There's some like glue stuff all over that rock. Oh, it's okay. We're already wet. Let's do this! Oh, wow. Right. From already wet to even wetter. Today, man, these canoes are gonna get so mangled. Nope. Left. We can't see what's on the right. I reckon there's a deeper drop. Wanna hug the middle rock, and then go for the left-hand side of the big rock in the middle, right? Wanna try and stay pointed as straight as possible. If it starts swaying, you wanna paddle in the opposite direction. Okay, this is the one. Right. Round, round, round. We can do it. Oh no, right. Oh, right, back up, back up. Up we go. It's okay, we're okay. There's one coming down. Okay. Now, let's push. Let's get rid of the canoe. Push the canoe down. There's so much water it'll just fill even more. We need to send the canoe down. See, more coming in. Okay, Nathaniel! Can you climb out? Or just feel your way with your legs. Stay low. Right. Huh? Hey, can you give me a hand over to you? All I've got here is a rock. I'm not sure where the end, where I can find something else is. Oh, right. Oh. Right, up we go. Let's get up. Right, good hand. Good hand. Let's see if we need it. Okay. Right. Now what? Oh crap. Are you okay? Not are you okay, but yeah. Can you still walk on it? Let's say them look okay. How do you reckon it's best? If we come down on the right, we'll work our way across slowly. Well, I go first. These shoes are no use. I'm gonna take these off. Right. Right. Oh man. Okay. Can you catch these shoes? Second. Right. Time to find where the rocks are. Right. We're gonna come down and come across. Right. Step down and then around. Keep an eye out for more snakes or whatever. Whoa. So okay? Yeah. Sorry, I'm just dumping you with him. just going to toss these to them. It's good for holding. Alright. I'll attach these and then we can chuck the shoes. How's the leg?
Yeah, I think it's
hurting
a lot.
That's not good. Oh man, ours went under as well. They're both
now they did. Now I'm turning, now we're emptying the water. Fine.
That slipped. Are you good? Man. We need kayaks. Nathan, join a competition. So you can get my... No! No! Is it? Right. Okay. Right. I'm gonna go down. Is it gone? Wow. What is it?
I think she means, I thought she meant like don't dive in.
It's the full rule. Yeah, but we're gonna come closest to then minimize debacle. Paddling. Whoa, that drops off. I'm gonna jump. You good? Oh, that's alright. Those are my throwing away ones. Okay, I'm gonna sit down and work my way forward with my feet. Okay, there's a drop off here. We just swim. Hope we don't kick rocks. Okay, yep. Okay, just feel gently. Whoa! Land! Solid land! Yes! Let's video Sanchez! Come on! Come on, Nathan! Come on, Nathan! I don't know.
Can I get you two to help me pull this?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Just oh wow.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. Nathan kind of went over his finger and foot and
Oh, when you roll.
Yeah.
Okay?
Between a rock and a hard place. That leg. Oh. Now one. Actually, it's just half a body.
Can you two help Nathaniel up there?
yeah. Whoop, I'm slipping. Are we lifting then flipping?
Yeah, it's the same process as any other squat.
We need to lift our end up even higher. So then any excess water.
Full roll.
Which way?
Towards me. Don't roll! Don't roll!
Sorry.
Right, up, up, up. We're rolling now.
Better than nothing.
Good, good rescue.
Sorry.
Okay.
This one is on the right.
My paddle's still around, yes.